Hi, in this video I'll show you how to convert XLS Excel file to PDF. This is my website. I will leave a link on this site into description. And to find app, I will type XLS to PDF. Yep, this one. And just click on the app page. Double click on download to start downloading process. And wait until file will be downloaded. So XLS is like old Excel file format. New Excel file extension is XLSX, and this is the old Excel file. So archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish here. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and minimize this and double click on shortcut to launch the app. Now for conversion is like 3 steps process. On first step, step 1, we have to select input Excel file. I'll click on select input file and go to my data, my test, or my data is fine. Click on next step, and here I can select the first row of input file has column names, usually like on spreadsheet. First row has column names. I'll keep it checked, and so converter will know that first row of the will be header, and it will show it as a header. Here I have to select flat, like flat table, or cards, like every record into separate. And here I can select a document size, it's different format A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. And font size, I can make it smaller, bigger font, and document orientation, landscape on our portrait. For example, if I have a Excel table with large amount of columns, it's better to select A0. I can select A2, and if I know that amount of columns is not a lot of columns in tables, I can select smaller. I can select bigger fonts and experiment and see which results give me PDF I want, and which format and which document orientation give better PDF. So then after all this decided, I click next step, click on run, and here I have to select name of the file. This name is okay. I'll just click save. Let's see which file is created. So my data, I can open it into Excel. Just double click on it and it will open. So Excel has three spreadsheets with different data in it. It just tests data for demonstration purposes. I can call this. Now let's see converted PDF format. Just double click on it, and you can see it has a table with all it's PDF viewer into Microsoft Edge embedded PDF, and it's showing 3 tables as in Excel document. Every spreadsheet has a header, has a row, columns, all columns in there, and all data in there. Yeah, so basically that's it. It's simple converter. As I said, you can experiment with options to create PDF you like. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in